Cutting loose. Why do you need to cut loose? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But is it really so bad to cut loose every now and again? Let's find out. What am I talking about, cutting loose? Well, essentially it's this. It's so easy, and particularly with the kind of personal development and the sort of stuff I talk about and shout about and rant about and go mad about, and home businesses and stuff like that. There's this kind of thing to, the grind, the hustle, keep doing it, work, smash it out the park, etc. And one of the biggest things from that is be consistent. So being consistent, whether that's in sort of going to the gym or producing content for your business or making sales calls, whatever it is, being consistent is the sort of one of the biggest things that I think people struggle with and fail to do when it comes to doing something they want to achieve, because it's hard. It's hard. Let's be honest. Going to the gym every day and sort of bashing that out, it's hard work. Or going running, or producing content every single day, doing a Facebook Live every day, doing daily vlogging every day. It's hard work. Let's not fluff about. There's a pile of work to do, and it's an effort. And unfortunately, most people can't be to put the work in and keep going and being consistent on a daily basis, because it's too much like hard work. They'd rather have the easy way, whether it's a get-rich-quick scheme or sort of lose weight in seconds, whether it's some other sort of miracle tablet or something like that. People always want the shortcut, and so many things, there's no shortcut. It requires effort and work, and anything in life that's worth doing, it requires effort, but people can't be bothered to do the effort. That's why so many people aren't consistent, because they see the goal, they want the kind of the lifestyle, whatever that may be for you, whatever that goal is, and they go, right, I want that, and I can be an entrepreneur. Don't even get me started on that one. And they kind of then start this business or whatever they're doing, and then realise, actually, this is a load of work. No, I can't be asked. I want that, but I can't be asked to do all this work. It's surely I haven't got to put all this effort in and sort of do all this stuff and sacrifice my favourite TV show or going out with friends and all that stuff to do this. Surely I'm supposed to sort of do 10 minutes work a week and get 10 grand a month in a month. It's like, it doesn't work like that. And that's one of the problems with network marketing, how it's promoted and by people to bring people on board. There's the classic, and I'm not here to bash network marketing, don't get me wrong, I love it, I totally believe in the business model. I think it's promoted badly, and one of the things I think that gives network marketing a bad reputation is network marketers, not network marketing. You're going to the presentation, you see all the kind of big numbers and all the kind of sexy stuff, and that's all great and that's fantastic. And then you go, right, now go and speak to your list of 100 people, friends and family, all that. Again, nothing wrong with that. And what people tend to do is take the information from the presentation or the event or whatever. They kind of miss out some bits of information, maybe not purposely. What they seem to say is, okay, you can do this part-time, correct, and then you can get to sort of 10 grand a month, correct, and blah 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 blah, and all this good stuff, and a car plan, and you can quit your job and just do this and travel the world and laptop lifestyle and all that sexy stuff. But they kind of compress the time down, so the person who's being sort of sold to or being presented to hears not much work, part-time, 10 grand a month, travel the world, laptop lifestyle, happy days, we're all Gucci. What they don't say is, if you do sort of like half an hour a day, you can get to the 10 grand a month, but it's going to take you a load of time to get there, because it's going to take time to sort of build the momentum in the business, and obviously the more time you put in, the quicker you're going to do it, and the shorter that time will be. But if you can only put in half an hour to 1 hour a day, totally fine, but don't expect to get the big money very soon. You will get the big money if you're consistent and you keep doing that half an hour, 1 hour a day, every single day for like a year and a half, or whatever it takes. But that's the point. That's what's always compressed down when people are kind of doing a presentation and talking about it to their friends and family. And so friends and family start thinking, whoa, easy money, do their half an hour to an hour a day, and nothing really happens. And they go, off, it's a scam, quit. And that's one of the problems. So I've gone off a bit of a tangent on this one, but the point is in any sort of home business, or I said anything in life, whether it's sort of going to the gym or whatever it is, there needs to be consistency and there needs to be hard work. Okay, that's done, that's understood. So where am I going with this video? What I'm saying is it's okay when you're in that kind of grind and hustle and you're kind of doing it every day and really, if you have a day where you don't beat yourself up about it. You know, it's fine. It's totally okay to kind of cut loose and have a sort of a lazy day, almost like a cheat day, like you might do on a diet. But you know, it's okay. It doesn't mean that everything you've done is being wasted. It just means that you've had one day where you haven't done X, Y, and Z. You haven't done that particular thing, and that's fine. Don't beat yourself up about it, going, oh, okay, so I better quit then, because no, that's because the fact that you've done all that work up to then and you have like one day off, as it were, then fine. The next day, carry on. You're going to be fine. And it's like, you know, if you're on a diet and then one day you just have a blast and just eat a load of junk, it doesn't mean all that's been undone. You just one day, then carry on. That's simple as that. But don't beat yourself up about having a kind of a day off or cutting loose and just sort of chilling out for a day every now and then. Obviously, don't do that every single day, or don't have the kind of cutting loose day and then go, well, I'll cut loose today, I might as well do it tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow.
6 months later.
That's not good, no. But if you're going to have, you know, a period of time that you want to go, look, I just need to sort of headspace, I just need to get out of this, good for your mental health, just to kind of chill out, whether it's go and play golf, go and fishing, go to the beach, whatever it may be, or just go out, you know, in a very English way, big drinking, whatever, but like just have that kind of day out of it, and one, it will sort of do you the world of good and sort of get your mind out of it, but also you'll be eager then to get back into it, but it's not going to do any harm. So please don't beat yourself up about cutting loose every now and then, because it's totally fine. It's okay to have a day off. I'm not saying you have to work, you know, all the hours of the day, 7 days a week, forever, but you know, every now and then, if you do need to cut loose, do so, and don't beat yourself up about it, because it's okay. Remember that. Good for your body, good for your mind, and just generally good. So chill out. Don't worry about having the odd cut loose day and the odd kind of wild crazy day that you go, look, I'm not going to do anything on my business day because, you know, I feel I deserve a day off. Fine, do that. It's your business. You are the boss. Just don't do that a day, and many days in a row, because then things will start to tail off. Just every now and then, it's all good. It's all totally fine. So that's it for today's video. Kind of a bit fast, a bit quick, a bit... The point being, as I said, it's important, I think, to do that, and yeah, and just chill the out, really, and just enjoy your life, because we only get one life. So I said, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some value from this. If you did, hit that like button so it's nice and... and subscribe if you haven't. I really do appreciate it, and hit the bell notification, and let me know in the comments below, you know, have you sort of kind of cut loose from your business or diet or fitness regime and then feel guilty about it, you know, feel really bad? Let me know below. But for now, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.